Hello, I'm Emmanuel Halos from BSIT2A, and today I will terminate a child process based on the instruction of the lab 2. But first, we will understand how to terminate a while process on this. So now, for us to go to the text editor, let's type nano and the file name, that is lab2. Since this is an example, we will name this file as an lab2 example so that we can go. Now we're here in the text editor. Let's type in the code, that is include um, uh, greater than stdio.h, then include again, uh, yun is std dot h, then int main is the header, so for us to have a looping, we need a while, then 1, then we will have to print a text that says process running, and for us to do that we will type print f, open parenthesis, then exclamation quote, process running, dot dot, then slash n, then then close, then close a parenthesis, then comma. Then for us to have a delay, let's type sleep, let's put 2 for 2 seconds delay, then close the parenthesis, then type return 0, then comma, and close, then Control X for us to save the file, then click Y to yes, then enter. Then here is GCC for us to run the text that we the code that we write earlier. Then here is the code that we will use. Then if you counter this or an error, maybe there's an error on your code. So far I don't have encounter any errors yet. So as you can see, process running, our code is running quite good. Then for us to terminate that, we will need a other terminal. Then let's type psaux, then you will see here all the details. Then you will need the PID of the file name, since our file name is lab2. As you can see, that's on the lower yes, here. So for us to terminate, let's type kill and the PID number here. Then so you can see the process is now terminated. So now let's proceed to the activity, that is to terminate a child process with a parent process. So you can see here, let's type it again, nano lab file name, since in lab 2, yeah, So as you can see, we will continue using we will continue the include, then the int main, then fork. Since we are going to have a parent and child process, we will need a fork. So let's continue the like we did earlier, the introduction on. So let's continue. Let's continue. And if PID greater than 0, close, error, fork. Mhm. Else, then else if ID. Yeah, continue the chat. So here I think I forgot to have a while. I think I didn't insert the while on the if. So let's fix this as early as possible. I think I don't need this print parent existing also to here. Let's put that there. And also here, let's put a while loop below this else. There you go. And let's continue to close the code. Let's 0. Let's save. Think this is okay. Let's type gcc and the file name, that is lab2.c, then -o lab2. So we have encountered an error. So to use the exit code, we need the other include, and now we will understand how to use the exit code. So their message is here, as you can see. So now let's go back to the code. Let's fix this, the nano lab2, and then let's arrange and then put the include, the other include, to use the exit. So include open space open parent again, then let's save. Let's try gcc lab2.c dash greater. Yeah, there you go. We didn't encounter any error message, and the parent and the child is running. So now let's type psaux, then find the child case. Since we are already getting the PID here, let's type kill and the PID number. Now the child process is now terminated, and that's all. Thank you.